Hi, and welcome to 8 Daily Affirmations, episode 70. Let's go through 8 affirmations to kickstart your day with positivity. I'll say each one 2 times. Repeat with me to boost your confidence, reduce stress, and stay motivated. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I embrace today. I embrace today. Today, I step forward. Today, I step forward. I choose growth. I choose growth. I am exactly where I need to be right now. I am exactly where I need to be right now. I celebrate my progress. I celebrate my progress. Today, I receive love. Today, I receive love. I am growing daily. I am growing daily. I find joy easily. I find joy easily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.